Windows CMD replacements. Resizing is one of the biggest problems I face with the default Windows command prompt. Are there any free/open source alternatives available?
Color Console is my Windows CMD replacement of choice. Actually, it's just a GUI wrapper around cmd.exe, not a replacement in the strict sense. Features. Favorites commands. Export to HTML and RTF. Copy, paste, cut, etc. Change font style and color. Tabbed interface with multi-cmd.exe. Fast folder switch. And of course it is resizable to your liking smile. Color Console is freeware and portable.
commandline is an open-source console emulator with tabs, which represents multiple consoles and simple GUI applications as one customizable GUI window. Initially, the program was designed to work with File Manager, my favorite shell replacement, file and archive management, command history and completion, powerful editor. But commandline can be used with any other console application or simple GUI tools, like Putty for example. commandline is a live project, open to suggestions. A brief excerpt from the long list of options. Use any font installed in the system, or copied to a folder of the program, TTF, OTF, font, BDF. Run selected tabs as administrator, Windows and NBSP, Vista or later, or as selected user. Windows 7 jump lists and progress on taskbar. Integration with DOSBox, useful on 64-bit systems to run DOS applications. Smooth resize, maximized and full screen window modes. Scroll bar initially hidden, may be revealed by mouse over or checkbox in settings. Optional settings, for example palette, for selected applications. User-friendly text and block selection, from keyboard or mouse, copy, paste, text search in console. ANSI X3.64 and STEM 256 color. In last alpha, build 120,802, a split screen feature was added, first try, may be buggy. File Manager users will acquire shell-style drag-and-drop, thumbnails and tiles in panels, tabs for editors and viewers, true colors and font styles, italic/bold/underline. Sorry for the self-promotion, I'm the author of another free and open-source console emulator, not mentioned here.
Console 2 is an open-source console window enhancement. Note that it's not technically a replacement for cmd.exe as it still uses it in the back to do the real work. Actually, it can be configured to use other shells such as Bash or PowerShell.
You don't need a replacement because you can do whatever you want with the Windows CMD window using the built-in options. If you right-click on the title bar, you can get to a Properties dialog where you can control the fonts, window size and colors, etc. And as Alex points out, you can apply the settings to all future command windows, not just the current window, so they'll all be the size you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.